Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Authenticator app for any app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Authenticator app on your mobile device and log into your account. This app is essential for adding an extra layer of security to your various online accounts through two-factor authentication. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll notice a plus icon sitting there. Go ahead and tap on it once. This button is your gateway to adding new accounts to Google Authenticator, allowing you to protect multiple apps and services with secure verification codes. After tapping the plus icon, two options will appear on your screen. The first option is scan a QR code. This is the quickest and easiest method to set up authentication for any app. When you choose this option, your phone's camera will activate, allowing you to scan the QR code provided by the app or service you want to protect. The beauty of this method is that all the necessary details, including the app key and account information, will automatically be filled in for you. You won't need to type anything manually, which reduces the chance of errors and speeds up the entire setup process. The second option available is enter a setup key. This method is useful when you don't have access to a QR code or prefer to manually input your authentication details. If you select this option, you'll need to manually enter the setup key provided by the app or service you're configuring. Along with the key, you'll also need to enter the account name and choose the type of account. This manual approach gives you more control over the setup process and works perfectly when QR codes aren't available or convenient to use. Both methods achieve the same result. They securely link your account to Google Authenticator so you can generate time-based verification codes whenever you need to log in. These codes change every 30 seconds, providing robust protection against unauthorized access to your accounts. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully set up Google Authenticator for any app using either the QR code scanning method or manual setup key entry. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.